Hi, I'm James, and today we're going to talk about the 3 types of manufacturing inventory. And that's it. That's not a very, okay, whatever. All right, so first off, we have our raw materials. Regardless of what you're making, you have some kind of item or raw good that you are then going to turn into your finished product that you're selling to your customers. Next is your work in progress. Some people call it work in process, but they're wrong, or WIP. And that is that in-between stage where something's getting worked on, or maybe it's getting assembled, or maybe it's getting even baked, or maybe it's being born. That's kind of weird. And then finally, you have your finished good. It's that final stage of completion where you've taken your raw item and you now have a finished product or good that you're selling to your customers. And those are the 3 types of manufacturing inventory. Is that it? Like there's nothing, no, that's stupid. Like, we can make that better. So first off, how do we improve our manufacturing inventory? Well, we reduce our travel between stations. Let's say you have it on the other side of the warehouse, or maybe even have it close. Look at the pathways that your workers or yourself are taking to assembly, or returning an item to the shelf as part of the work in progress, or even just to the finished good. Is it the ideal setup? Can it be improved? Second, build materials. Sometimes in some of these shops you have people that have been there forever, they know what goes where, and so they're not even referencing any kind of layout or assembly. Well, what happens when you need to hire someone? Or what happens when that guy or girl leaves? A bill of materials solves that. It says exactly what goes into it, what the order is, and you can kind of customize it to whatever you need it to be, big or small. Third, you should be writing reports so you can see how much is sitting on the shelves, how often it gets cycled, what's being made, what's being sold at a higher volume, etc. All kinds of reports can provide this kind of information off of your own data that your company is gathering about itself. And now with that, you can make sure that you're running leaner so that you have just enough inventory on your shelves to make what you need, or you can also prevent a stock out where, oh, I didn't order enough and we need this thing all the time. You can become more efficient in all of these ways by just making small improvements each step of the way. So there, I just made this whole thing better. So you might have showed up for the inventory lesson, but you stayed for the wisdom. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.